Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Chief Electoral Officer Gajala Dr. BDR Tiwari IAS habakran shakla pathai khobor mtakasngi uloyathu bagajing thap vote hagam begre kala yat be yat renti na duka por sedang haduk banakut gajing thap vote uloyathu bakam shimladan kanu kanu ke polling station ke badan jing thut hendrai habaro san phoi tali ki polling station kala yat be uloyathu roba ki dan ki polling station ki baduna network hendrai kilale deke MPRO Ulaong batat haduk kapor hendru beji ki nong thap vote ki poi haduk khandai po point prapu saw percent. Laban kedo bagi dan hendru ngut ki kertong hakani ki election shooting samoy hagam bigre bat ar ngut naki kidai ka Dr. Metab Chandi A Sangma kebede ke kuriam jung menteri rang ba ke jela bat ke Sadia Rani M Sangma kebede ke MDC bementa jung ke Gambigre kebede ru ke kuriam jung menteri sarkar berim Uzanit Sangma.
Gambigri Assembly constituency was scheduled today and voting timing was from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. Total number of voters were 33,088, out of which 16,881 male and 16,207 female voters. We have distributed 54 number of those on for home voting, and out of that 32 have chosen home voting option. We have total 3 service voters in the assembly constituency. Today polling went very peaceful. Mock poll also completed well within time, and polling started in time. So bi-hourly polling report what we received, so from we keep on getting, and so by 11 a.m. there were 37.5%, by 1 p.m. it was 49.3%, by 3 p.m. it was 67.8%, and by 5:30 the report which we received, it was 80.91%. But the figures are keep on coming as the polling was ongoing in few polling stations, and all the figures have to be properly compiled. So by 6 p.m. the report what we received around, so total 90.84% in all the 51 PS.
Can you repeat, sir?
90.84%. These are the voting figures what we received till time. They yet to have compile and match with the presiding officer diary and everything. So we can't rule out little bit variation over that. But more or less whatever report till time we received, so that is yet 90.84% till time. So there were the 51 polling station in the Gambigri. There were no polling station which identifies as critical or vulnerable. We did webcasting in all 51 polling stations, but there were some network shadow areas where in MPRO and all the alternate measures micro observers have been deployed, and the 12 sector magistrates, sector officers and 4 zonal magistrates were also been deployed. The teams were there for the all round the clock monitoring, and entire election went very peacefully, and I thank all the voters. They have come forward and casted their vote in the more than 90%. It is a good achievement. So as well as we would like to congratulate the district team who worked very hard, and all the political parties, they participated very properly, very peacefully, and the entire election process has been completed very smoothly. During mock drill, only one VVPAT was replaced, and after the start of actual poll, total 3 BUs, 3 CUs, and 6 number of VVPATs were replaced in 5 number of polling stations. So we already shared the data related to the seizures etc. during the campaign period, So total seizure, what happened during this by poll, so it was 12 lakh and 72,000 till poll day. So out of which cash seizure is 1.7961 lakhs, liquor values 3,09,945, drug and narcotics value 2,40,000, and freebies and other items 5,42,048. So this is the overall figures we have. So we all thank the media and all the stakeholders, first of all the voters, the district team, for their very smooth management and very peaceful conduct of this company. They have to just match with the presiding officer's diary, etc. So then only the final figure they will upload in the voting during assembly elections, and it is history in the past also. And in the by polls, there are the all focus from all political parties side on that particular constituency where by poll is happening. So we see the larger turnout from the voter side. I don't have very less number, and whatever were there, that was at the district level, and that all those things were addressed. We will provide all the figures since you have asked.
Sir, you told me about the
Not come across any such image since MCC.
the last time that you see. Sir.
So all the things actually it is a rolling reporting. So timing etc. I don't have. We have the complete figures. The overall seizures till today
So, like in the campaigning period, sir.
been properly taken care, and matter has been. I told ki appropriate action has been initiated in all such. Polling parties are arriving. It will take some time. Just in one polling station, about 2-3 minutes before once we start the poll, our press conference, then voting got closed. So they will keep on arriving, and we are expecting by tonight all the polling parties will arise, and machines etc. also will be. So there are the elderly people also, and some differently able people, PWDs also.
How many postal ballot is there?
So service voters only this
Three.
three.